Hello students, hope you all are staying homes and saving lives. In this video, I will teach you the shortest but the meaningful poem of class 10th first flight book, that is Fog. So without any waitings, let's start. Fog. We will first look for the poet's intro. Carl August Sandburg, 1878 to 1967, was an American poet and writer. He won 3 popular prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. He wrote poems like Grass, Analysis, Chicago, etc. Now it's time for the intro of the poem. So Fog is a small poem composed by Carl Sandburg. He has described the process of arrival of the fog into a city and a harbor. He has very wonderfully compared it to a cat. The poet says that the fog, which is generally seen during the winter season, is coming towards the city and the harbor just like a cat. This means that it is approaching the city in a very silent manner so that no one can notice its arrival. He has compared its arrival to that of a cat because a cat always enters a place silently. Next, he says that the fog has covered the whole of the city and harbor, and it appears as if it is sitting by folding its legs and looking around just the way a cat does when it sits on the haunches and looks around. And at the end, it describes the departure of the fog, which is very silently and calmly, again similar to the departure of the cat, that is, it vanishes. तो ये जो पोएम है फॉग, इस पोएम में जो पोएट हैं वो फॉग और कैट की एक्टिविटीज़ को यहाँ पे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. वो कहते हैं कि जैसे बिल्लियाँ आती हैं हमारे घर में एकदम साइलेंटली और कामली दबे पाँव कि हमें उनके आने का पता नहीं चलता है, ठीक वैसे ही फॉग भी हमारे लोकेलिटी में, हमारे हार्बर में, हमारे सिटी में, हमारे शहर में, हमारे एरिया में एकदम बिल्कुल ऐसे ही दबे पाँव आती है कि हमें पता नहीं चल पाता है. और जैसे कैट हमारे यहाँ आके एकदम अपने नीज़ को बेंड करके अपने हॉन्चेस पे जो बैठती है, ठीक वैसे ही जो फॉग है वो भी हमारे एरिया में एकदम वैसे ही साइलेंटली और कामली एकदम फैल के बैठ जाता है. एंड एट द एंड, जैसे कैट कब चले जाता है हमारे घर से, कब गायब होता है, बिल्कुल वैसे ही कुछ घंटों फैले रहने के बाद जो फॉग है वो भी हमारे जो एरिया है उसको छोड़ के आगे बढ़ जाता है. तो नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर पोएम फॉग. द फॉग कम्स ऑन लिटिल कैट फीट, इट सिट्स लुकिंग ओवर हार्बर एंड सिटी on silent haunches and then moves on. I repeat the poem. The fog comes on little cat feet, it sits looking over the harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. So what the word fog means? It means it is a thick cloud of teeny water droplets present in the atmosphere, especially in the winter season. And the second one is harbor, port or dock. It means bandargah. And the last one is on haunches, means sitting with knees bent, घुटनों को मोड़ कर बैठना. So it's time for the summary of the poem. So here we go. The poet is describing fog. Fog is a thick cloud of teeny water droplets present in the atmosphere. It is generally seen in the winter season. Here the poet describes the advancement of fog towards the city and the harbor. He says that fog comes like a cat comes on its feet. This means the fog and advances towards the city very slowly and calmly, just like a cat. One never knows how and when the fog will enter the city. Therefore, fog is compared to the cat which enters our home in a very secret and calm manner. Next, he says that the fog sits over the whole of the city as a cat sits silently by folding her legs behind itself and looks around the nearby places and things. Similarly, it seems that the fog silently covers the whole of the city and the harbor and is sitting over them, looking around like a cat. After a while, the fog leaves the city and moves on. The poet says so because it is a natural phenomenon and it is a well known fact that fog does not stay at a place for a longer time and leaves the place after a few hours. So, here also the poet says that just like cat, the fog leaves the place very silently without being noticed by anyone. So, I'm done. If you like this video, give this video a big thumb, and if you are new to my channel, tap the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be updated of my videos. Thank you.